Pause right there. This is a pivotal moment. Mr. Thornton just rejected a plea deal that would have sent him to prison for 4 years. By choosing trial, he's gambling with a possible ** 20-year sentence **. That's like walking into Vegas with your freedom on the line. Would you take that deal, or roll the dice?
Good morning, you're Alexander Thornton?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Thornton is charged with fraudulent use or possession of credit or debit cards in cause number 24 DCCR 0323. And what is the announcement?
Your Honor, the state had conveyed a plea offer. Is that, and it's my understanding we might possibly plead that this morning, but Mr. Thornton has informed me since the last setting that he is rejecting this plea and he has signed a rejection form. Mr. Thornton,
Oh, I see it. Let me go through. Okay, hold on a second. Let's do that. So
we're going to need to put it on the trial document.
let me go through everything then. So, Mr. Thornton, again, what you're charged with is a second-degree felony offense of fraudulent use or possession of credit or debit cards, and that's from September 23rd of 2023. What that means is if you go to trial and you're found guilty, the range of punishment is between 2 years and up to 20 years in prison. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And I have a plea bargain rejection that you've signed with Mr. Barrington that shows that the district attorney's office has made an offer, if you wanted to enter a plea of guilty, for a 4-year term in prison. You have every right to reject that and have your case set for trial. I just want to make sure you understand what your possible consequences are and what the options are. And do you understand all of that?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you want to reject that offer and have your case set for trial?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we will get that case set on the trial docket. Mr. Barrington will begin preparation for trial. Make sure you stay in touch with him. He'll let you know when you need to be back and ready for trial.
Absolutely.
All right, you're free to go.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Judge, can you approach me on the seat?
Uh-huh. Okay. Let's hold on a second. Let's get this is Mr. Nichols on Precious Eaglin again, y'all. Yes, sir.
Judge, I was speaking with Ms. Eaglin in the jury box, and she indicated she wanted to address the court again about the drug use.
This is one of those heartbreaking confessions you can only get in open court. Precious Eagle admits she's relapsed after years of staying clean. Notice how she doesn't make excuses, she owns it. And that raw honesty could be the difference between help and handcuff.
Okay.
Okay, honestly, forgive me for not telling you the truth. Just today, I lost my mother. It'll be a year. I'm not using it as an excuse, but I've been reaching out to her if I go talk to my caseworker and stuff like that. I'm going through therapy. Like, man,
what are you going to test positive?
To kill myself.
Listen, what are you going to test positive for?
For PCP. I relapsed on PCP. I've been clean. I had a sponsor. I've been clean on PCP for 2 years. And I just felt like I couldn't take none of this. And that's why I was asking, even out there, because I've been my people that I'm seeing, those Saiga is out of Houston. So I had been set up everything with my son and my fiance to keep my kids, because I really need to go give me some help. I feel like I'm on a breaking point.
All right, hang on a second.
May I inquire, Judge, how she got here this morning?
Yeah, how'd you get here?
My nephew, he outside.
Okay.
You didn't drive her?
No, no.
When's the last time you used?
It's been going on like a week or so I had to go and like detox for.
Here's where things get real. The judge is calling in *** mental health services *** before making a decision. That's not just compassion, it's due process in motion. Judges have to balance *** public safety with *** rehabilitation ***, and this moment shows how those two worlds collide. What would you prioritize if you were on that bench, punishment or treatment?
A couple of days, I just did it by myself, so I could start taking my medication.
Where's, would you call and get, have a seat in the jury box. I'm going to have somebody come talk to you, and then we'll decide what to do after that. All right? Get them back down here. Mm-hmm. Mental health.
She's in a meeting right now. says she's gonna try to get back here. We've already talked to her.
Okay,
And she requested her this morning.
Okay.
She had to run to a meeting.
but she is gonna come back.
She says she's gonna try
Okay.
to get back here.
It might be a few minutes, so just hang tight. We're gonna have, they're gonna, in a meeting right now, they'll come back. Okay. See, is, Mr. Turner? Thought I saw him.
Yes, he was in here.
They're probably going over the PSI maybe.
I think he had when he asked a question to me, it wasn't on my case, but he has a misdemeanor down there
Okay,
that he's taken to jail on that one, and this one was, with my understanding, Mr. Turner told me, and I think he was asking to propose what they wanted y'all to do before he left.
okay. Okay.
It's not mine, I just.
Yeah,
I know
thank
Mr.
you.
Turner, and he asked me a question.
Would, will you see if Mr. Turner is out there with his client Darren Carter? And what was it, this, agreement?
So the version call my case, it's gonna be Mr. Smith or something else.
Thank you. I'll take care of it when it's ready. Thank you. See if I can find him. I guess if he went down there, they're gonna have to walk him this way instead of that way. What court is it in? Do we know which county court?
Judge, I didn't mean to send him anywhere.
No, I know you didn't. It's okay. We can do it either way. We'll figure it out. I just want to make sure the misdemeanor court knows not to have them taken to the jail, that we get them down here first.
30 days in county jail for resisting arrest. But here's the twist. The judge multitasks like a pro, handling multiple cases while signing off on paperwork mid-sentence. Courtroom chaos? Nope. Just another Tuesday in Jefferson County.
Oh, here we are. Good. Yes, y'all come on up.
They were next door doing the paperwork there because I thought it would be easier since they're going to have to take him over in custody.
Yes, so y'all were down in misdemeanor court already? They'll walk him down once we go back. Let's see, Mr. Smith, on Darren Carter. All right, sir, you're Darren Carter?
Yes.
And Mr. Carter was previously in court, entered a plea of guilty to the reduction of charge. It was a Class A misdemeanor resisting arrest. And we reset this for sentencing to give you some time to take care of some business. And have you been arrested for anything since you were here and entered that plea? Any reason not to go forward with sentencing? All right, Mr. Carter, I'm going to find, again, you entered that plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time find you guilty of resisting arrest, the Class A misdemeanor. Sentence you to 30 days in the Jefferson County Jail, and you will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. Hold on, I'm trying to do two things at one time. I'm going to hand you the trial court certification. It shows this was an agreement that I followed, and so you have waived your right to appeal. It should be printed. Oh, I already have it. I think I printed it again. There's that, and you can go with the bailiff, and then they'll make sure he's going to need to go. Which is it, county court 2 or 3?
He needs to go to 2.
2. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, you'll make they can come get him maybe down there. He's in custody here for 30 days, and then he's going to go down there and do something. Thanks. Thank you, sir. Mr. Walker, on Antonio Sanchez. Good morning, sir. You're Antonio Sanchez?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Walker, will your client waive the formal reading of the indictment?
Yes, ma'am.
Take that.
Let's unpack that. Antonio Sanchez isn't walking free, he's walking *** on a tightrope ***. 5 years of good behavior, constant check-ins, and 0 mistakes. Mess up once, and that probation flips into a full felony sentence. Think you could stay clean and compliant for half a decade.
Mr. Sanchez, in cause number 25, DCCR 0790, you're charged with the third-degree felony offense of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle from May 25th of 2025. And how do you plead to that charge? Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? And are you pleading guilty because you actually did what they charged you with? I have here on the computer some documents that have your signature on them that the state has marked as Exhibit Number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Walker?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you fully understand them?
Yes.
And do you understand, if I follow the agreement that you've made with the district attorney, that you'll be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
Yes.
Hang on. I do want to go ahead and have her see what all you've got, just so we have a baseline, okay? So we're going to go ahead and get that UA done this morning. So do you understand? It looks like the agreement that you've reached is for a 5-year deferred probation. There will be a $500 fine, and you would be required to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation. Is that your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Also, do you understand, if you're not a U.S. citizen, that a plea of guilty or no contest may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law?
Yes, ma'am.
State tenders number 1.
No objection.
It's admitted. Is there any evidence that Mr. Sanchez is not competent?
No, ma'am.
All right, sir, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find that you're mentally competent and you understand the nature and the consequences of your plea. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I'm going to reset your case so that the probation department can do a pre-sentence report. That'll give me more information about you and your case, and then we'll come back later for sentencing. You need to stop and talk to probation before you leave the courtroom today, and she's at that desk right there.
Perfect.
All right?
Thank you.
We'll see you back at sentencing. Thank you.
Let me excuse you.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Mr. Galmore, you have Kelton Hebert.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, sir. How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Good. Good morning, Mr. Coleman. Good morning, sir. Are you Kelton Hebert? And Mr. Hebert's charged with evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle in 24 DCCR 1498. And what is the announcement?
Judge, we have received the discovery and I've gone through it. It does appear that there are some recordings that were missing from the discovery that were not given to the district attorney's office, so I would like to request that from them and see if that those recordings do exist or not.
Okay.
We've had that conversation, Judge, and I'm not opposed to a reset so that we can track that.
Okay. I'll just do a normal reset, give y'all some time to try to get that taken care of, and then so Mr. Hebert, stay in touch with Mr. Galmore. He'll let you know when he gets that information so y'all can go over it, and we'll see if we can get an announcement at the next court date.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You're free to go. Thank
you.
you. Ms. Holmes, you have Seneca McDaniels.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you?
Good.
Good morning. Are you Seneca McDaniels? And Mr. McDaniels is charged with unlawful possession of a firearm by felon in cause number 24, DCCR 1915. And Ms. Holmes, what is the announcement?
Yes, Your Honor. We're trying to work out some logistics. We've gone over different ways to get this disposed of. But I think if we, by the next court setting, we will have it done. If possible, it may be reduced, but if we could get a little bit more time.
All right, so I'm going to reset it one more time.
Yes,
This will be
ma'am.
the last one. So y'all work out what you need to if you can. If not, we'll get that announcement at the next court date. Mr. McDaniels, make sure you stay in touch with Ms. Holmes so you can go over everything with her prior to that next court date, and we'll get it.
This is a standout moment of judicial balance. Instead of throwing Precious Eagle in jail for a failed drug test, Judge West orders a *** drug patch *** and a treatment plan. That's accountability wrapped in empathy, tough love in real time. It's a rare glimpse of how the justice system tries to heal instead of just punish.
An announcement on what's going to happen with your case. All right, you're free to go.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you.
See, have we seen Mr. Jeffries or Mr. Adams?
Mr. Kelly's here for Mr. Jeffries.
Okay.
Kelly's here for Mr. Jeffries.
Good morning, Mr. Kelly. On David Boyd.
He's present.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning. Are you David Boyd?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Boyd is charged with deadly conduct, discharging a firearm, in cause number 250720. And Mr. Kelly's here for Mr. Jeffries. And what is the announcement?
I think that there is some media, either video or USB, that we might need to put. Am I wrong with?
Are you talking about additional media or just the media in the case?
Just media.
Okay.
Do we have it already?
I'm not sure. I thought maybe you were suggesting that there was something out there that we procured. I'm sorry.
All right, I'll just do a normal reset, make sure Mr. Jeffries gets that request in. Mr. Boyd, stay in touch with Mr. Jeffries so that as soon as he gets all that discovery, y'all can go over and we'll try to get an announcement at the next court date.
Yes,
all right, thank you. So, Ms. Eaglin, you were truthful in what you tested positive for, okay? Here's what I'm going to do. Typically, if someone tests positive for what you tested positive for, they'd be going to jail today. But I'm not going to do that, but I am going to order some very specific bond conditions. One of those is that you are going to have to get a drug patch. You have 24 hours to get that. Your bondsman can let you know where to get it. It's a patch that you wear on your arm. You have to get it changed every 2 weeks. It's obviously going to test positive this first time, but it needs to test negative after that. Do you understand? And also, I'm going to order, at least for now, that you are not allowed to drive. Okay? You need to get a ride until you test negative for a little while. Okay. And then you're gonna have you visit with the people you're gonna visit with this morning. Hopefully, get a plan together. And as a condition of your bond, you're gonna be ordered to follow whatever plan. Make appointments, go to Spindletop, do whatever you need to do. Okay? Because we want to get you back on the right path so we can take care of your case. So. Well, they're going to give you some. They're going to give you some resources and where to go to try to get some help so that you can kind of get yourself together, so you can work with Mr. Rojas and get your case taken care of. Okay? It's okay. So look, have a seat over there, but make sure between today and tomorrow, you get that drug patch put on. They have a list over there. Okay, that's where you can get it taken care of. So when you're done with court, find out where you can get it taken care of and get that on before tomorrow, okay? All right, just have a seat back in the jury box.